Why don't you tell us a little bit about what do we mean when we say, hey, what's a nursing home case?
Well, a nursing home case arises out of a couple of different things. Oftentimes, it's just simple neglect, but there can be abuse. There can be physical abuse, emotional abuse, or even sexual abuse. But oftentimes, what we're seeing now, and the reason we're having this conversation today, is we're getting a lot more calls. We're hearing loved ones are finally being reunited, and they're going into these nursing homes for the first time probably in 18 months. And it's horrendous. So we have a couple things going on. The nursing homes are mostly for-profit, and so they have to fill beds. Unfortunately, there's not the proper staff to take care of all the people that they have. And so when we talk about nursing home cases, it can either be neglect, which means, they're not doing all the things that they need to do. The place is a mess. The loved ones aren't getting cared for properly, and usually bad things happen. And then you also have, because you're desperate for employees, sometimes they have employees that can be quite abusive. And, we know the obvious abuse, physical abuse, but a lot of times it's just emotional abuse. So those are the things we're starting to see now. And, having done this for 26 years, as the population is getting older, there's more individuals that need long-term care and nursing homes and assisted living. And unfortunately, there's just not enough staff to take care of that many people.
Yeah, so basically over the last year, you've had loved ones that weren't able to visit their relatives in the nursing home. And so there's not that set of eyeballs.
That's correct.
Kind of to be the transparency or the police, so to speak. So I guess the staff over time, they're understaffed, they're overworked, probably overstressed, fatigued.
And
they're just
underqualified.
Underqualified. Yeah. So they're, it's unfortunate that that's what's happening. But like you said, now all of a sudden the doors are opening. You have sons and daughters and nieces and nephews going to visit these people in these assisted living centers, and what they're seeing is not good.
Right.